basically I'm quite okay. I go for the medical checkup. Everything is alright, except my really high cholesterol. At first, my eyes is not clear eyesight. Until my eyesight is getting very worse, and then until one, like my left is the left eye, one side only, I only can see only now. This side only can see, the other I cannot see doctor at all. Doctor say my eyes very good, nothing wrong. They asked me to go for MRI to screen through. From the MRI, they find out there's a tumor there, and then the tumor is inside there already bleeding. Tumor size is around 2 by 3 cm like that. It's quite big, he say. Yeah. The doctor want me immediate transfer to GHP by the ambulance. The surgery is to remove the tumor through my nose. This is the tumor is inside the top here. Okay, no problem. Yes, Dr. Yi says it was very successful. Dr. Lim also said no problem. The door is open well, it's closing very well. All is good. For myself, it's slightly uncomfortable at the time. So overall, it's alright. After 1 week, I go to check my eyesight again. The results coming is very good. Become 100% of recovery for my eyesight. Yeah. Overall, it's very good lah. The service okay lah. They are very professional, very good lah. The caring there. Yeah, I love them so much lah. They take care very much lah.
Was found to have a brain tumor that we call a pituitary macroadenoma. The patient was referred to Pantai Hospital, where we have performed the transsphenoidal endonasal endoscopic surgery to remove the pituitary macroadenoma, and thankfully it was a successful surgery where his vision recovered. So for pituitary surgery, there is multiple ways to achieve the objective. One of it was transcranial, means that we perform the surgery through the cranium. Okay, and that would involve an incision over the scalp, opening of the cranium, and retraction of the frontal lobe, the brain, in order to reach the pituitary tumor. But with the advance of technology and inventions of endoscope, therefore the endoscope can be passed through the nose and reaches the sella, the floor of the pituitary adenoma, and from there surgery can be performed without a scar on the scalp, and can be performed through the nose. And this surgery was performed through the nose and through the sphenoid sinus. We take every steps to make sure that the surgery is performed safely. And this surgery are performed by transsphenoidal endonasal endoscopic surgery are done by 2 doctors, a neurosurgeon and ENT doctor. So we have the team here to perform the surgery safely. Okay, so Mr. Tai was admitted, and after blood tests and imaging investigations, we performed the surgery, and he was discharged 3 days after the surgery, and he came for follow-up, and he's safe and very satisfied with his result.